Hello everyone, how's it going? It's Faster Auto Keys here, and right in front of you are two keys made for Lexus vehicles. As you can tell on the left, this one has not been cut, and this one to the right has been cut. Here at Faster Auto Keys, we are able to provide a key with a cutting service over the internet. You do not have to drive to us. In fact, we make it convenient for you to order a key cut to fit your vehicle in the convenience of your home. As you may already know, the original keys made by Lexus are prone to break, where the blade actually separates from the hard top, and it's a very annoying process when your key breaks and you have to turn the ignition with the blade and then have the remote close to the ignition to start the vehicle. Because of that, we provide these replacement keys with a cutting service, and all we're going to need to provide a cutting service is your key code. If you happen to have your emergency key blade, the box will have the key code, and all you need to do is provide that key code to us so we know how to cut your key. With that key code, we can cut your key, we can ship it to you, and you will have a brand new key at a really good price in the convenience of your home, as previously mentioned. If you don't have that emergency keyblade box with the key code, look around, and some key codes are also available in metal tags that come with some Lexus vehicles. In the worst case scenario, if you're not able to find your key code, you can go ahead and visit your Lexus dealership. You will have to provide them your VIN as well as proof of ownership, and they'll be able to provide your key code. As mentioned, we can provide these keys with a cutting service in the convenience of your home with just your key code at the best price possible. You don't have to drive anywhere. You just simply get your key code, provide it to us. We'll cut the key and send it to you, and you'll be able to fix your problem. Once your key arrives, you can then remove the remote chip from your old key, put it in the new key shell, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, I will leave our tech support number in the description below. You can also leave us a comment below and we'll be happy to answer there. Check out our website and I'll provide a link where we have these Lexus keys for sale. As mentioned many times already, all we need is your key code and we can provide these keys for you with a cutting service. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys have a good one.